Storytelling isn't just entertainment, it's one of the most powerful tools in adult education. Why? Because adults don't just learn through information, they learn through meaning. And nothing delivers meaning like a well-told story. Stories help learners connect. They humanize content, spark emotion, and create context. They make abstract ideas concrete and complex concepts easier to remember. Think about it. What do we remember from our own learning experiences? The formulas or the people, challenges, and stories behind them? For adult learners, stories work because they invite reflection. They help learners see themselves in the material. They say, "This could be you." Good stories also model behavior. They show choices, mistakes, growth, and resolution. They turn passive listening into active learning. So how can we use storytelling in adult education? Start with real-world scenarios. Build case studies, problem-solving challenges, or fictional characters that mirror your learners' experiences. Let the story unfold across lessons. Give it stakes, context, and a resolution. Use narrative when presenting content. Even a short anecdote can make a concept stick. Instead of just saying feedback matters, tell a story about how feedback changed someone's performance. Invite learners to share their own stories. Whether in discussion, journaling, or projects, self-reflection strengthens understanding. It also builds a learning community where experiences are valued. Structure your stories with purpose. Start with a hook, something relatable or surprising. Introduce a character or challenge. Build tension, then resolve it with insight or action. Keep it simple, vivid, and relevant. Use clear language and emotional detail. And always tie the story back to the learning objective. You don't need to be a novelist. You just need to be real. Even a short, honest story can move learners from passive to present, from informed to inspired. In the end, storytelling isn't just a teaching tool, it's a learning accelerator. Because when we connect with the heart, the mind follows. And that's the magic of education that sticks.